Hear me out. What if you could get paid twice for the same exact trade? Most people are trading on PolyMarket and leave half their money on the table. Today, we're going to dive into Almanac, which is the first information incentivization layer for predictions. This isn't just another betting site. It's a system designed to reward the truth. So the question is, what is Almanac? Almanac is a specialized layer built on PolyMarket infrastructure. This means you get access to the exact same markets and the same deep liquidity that you're used to, but with a massive structural advantage. In traditional markets, noise traders often drown out real. Almanac exists to separate that signal from the noise by measuring how much qualified information a trader actually contributes to the market. Almanac traders earn double rewards. You earn your standard trading profits on the market, and you also earn additional rewards based on your predictive accuracy, your information quality, and consistency. Currently, there's over $50,000 in rewards available per week. This includes a minor reward pool of approximately 7.5K to 10K every single day, paid out in SN41, that's subnet 41 on the Bittensor network. Other rewards are distributed through daily in USDC through a transparent algorithmic process. To get these rewards, you have to provide Signal. Almanac's scoring engine filters for legitimate traders by removing dust orders, spam, and copy trading. To be considered an informative trader, the system evaluates you on these factors. Number one, qualified volume, meaning winning trades with real capital at risk, consistent ROI, profit efficiency, which is sustained over time rather than just one lucky win, and then signal quality, whether your trades actually improve the overall accuracy of the market. Now, the question you might have is, why does this matter? Well, unlike centralized betting platforms, prediction markets on Almanac are adversarially neutral. There's no predatory spreads designed to extract value from you. There's absolutely no risk of being banned for being too profitable. In fact, the most profit you can make and signals that you show, the more you get those, the more the system is going to reward you. Almanac has already processed about 5,000 trades and is about to hit $1 million in total volume. You can see the top performers right now at the Almanac leaderboard, which shows steady parabolic adoption. Almanac has massive backing to ensure this data is the best in the world. PolyMarket has a direct partnership with Almanac. Zeus, which is Bittensor subnet number 18, they predict the weather more accurately than any other platform on Earth, and you can use that data as a trading edge on Almanac. And Grid, a partnership with the industry leader in esports data to transform official stats into market intelligence. The team has secured a 12-month runway to ensure uninterrupted growth, so this platform is built for the long haul. Create an account at the link in the description at almanac.market. Use a referral code on the screen to join in. Once you're in, generate your own referral code in your account settings. You can earn $1,000 USDC for every 1 million of volume generated by users on your link with no cap on earnings. I'm going to put a link down below for you guys to use. Stop trading for single rewards. Start getting paid for your intelligence. Check out the leaderboard, hit the link in the description, and let's see who can climb to the top. This is your opportunity, and this could be money. Put your link in the comment section down below and see if some people will sign up under you, and let's make some money together. It's not financial advice. Always right.